Hello friends! Today we're starting something truly epic, building a LEGO Transformer truck using just 250 LEGO blocks. And trust me, this is not an ordinary build. This is going to be one of the most unique LEGO Transformer truck builds ever, something you won't find in any LEGO store or instruction manual. In this long video, our first and most important step is the chassis, because the chassis is the backbone of the entire truck and Transformer mechanism. If the chassis is strong, the whole build becomes powerful, stable, and realistic. Piece by piece, we carefully lock the LEGO blocks together to create a solid frame that can handle weight, movement, and future transformations. Every connection matters here, from balancing the wheels to aligning the axles, because this base will support the engine section, the body panels, and even the transformation parts later in the build. We focus on strength, symmetry, and smart design, so the truck doesn't just look good, but feels like a real heavy-duty Transformer vehicle. This chassis is designed to be tough, flexible, and upgrade-ready, making sure that when this LEGO truck finally transforms, it does so smoothly and powerfully. So stay with us, because this strong foundation is where the real magic of our LEGO Transformer truck begins. Right now, we've added some designs that may look confusing, but once everything is closed and complete, this LEGO Transformer truck will look so amazing you won't be able to stop watching it. Right now, we are making a rear bumper to protect our car from getting damaged.